Hey everyone, welcome back to Gravity Automotive. Today we're diving into something seriously exciting, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. A truck that doesn't just upgrade the Tacoma lineup, but completely redefines what a modern mid-size pickup can be, blending rugged off-road capability with hybrid efficiency and next-gen tech in a way that feels almost futuristic. So imagine this. You take Toyota's proven iForce Max hybrid system, pair it with a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and then drop that into a Tacoma body that's already known for long-term durability and off-road confidence. What you get is a monster producing 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pounds-ft of torque, making this the most powerful Tacoma ever built. That torque hits instantly thanks to the electric motor, which is why the truck feels quick off the line and incredibly strong when towing or crawling up steep terrain. Despite all that power, the hybrid setup manages around 22 mpg in the city, 24 mpg on the highway, and roughly 23 combined, which is impressive considering the capability this truck offers. Towing tops out at about 6,000 pounds and payload at roughly 1,705 pounds, giving you real work-ready numbers without sacrificing daily drivability. Now, the design Toyota didn't hold back. The 2025 Tacoma Hybrid looks bold, athletic, and muscular from every angle, with an aggressive front grille, wide and sculpted fenders, sharp lighting elements, and that signature tough stance that Tacoma fans love. Different trims get unique touches, like the TRD Off-Road's rugged bumpers, the Limited's more premium exterior accents, and the TRD Pro and Trailhunter models, which crank the off-road attitude up to an entirely different level with high clearance components, beefier tires, and purpose-built trail gear straight from the factory. Step inside and you can instantly tell Toyota wanted the interior to feel both functional and upscale at the same time. You get a big, bright 14-inch touchscreen on higher trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a wireless phone charger, USB-C ports everywhere you need them, intuitive controls, and a cabin layout that feels solid and ready for heavy use. Some trims even include a detachable JBL Bluetooth speaker that magnetically docks into the dashboard, a small detail that perfectly reflects the Tacoma's gunny-wear personality. Cabin materials feel durable yet modern, with soft surfaces, where you rest your arms, well-bolstered seats, and thoughtful storage spaces that make the truck feel ready for workdays, road trips, and off-road weekends. Every hybrid Tacoma comes standard with four-wheel drive. And depending on which trim you choose, you can equip it with features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, locking rear differential, trail-tuned suspension, Fox or Old Man Emu shocks, skid plates, beefed-up components, and even air suspension elements, all designed to give this truck incredible capability whether you're climbing rocks, crossing mud, or just navigating a snowy highway. Safety is another strong point, because Toyota includes its full Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite on every model. This gives you automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control or collision warning, pedestrian detection, road sign assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, a multi-angle camera system, and available 360-degree monitoring that helps you see obstacles while off-roading or parking in tight spaces. In the back, the Tacoma offers both 5-foot and 6-foot bed options depending on the trim and cab, each with adjustable tie-down cleats, a strong composite bed surface, plenty of anchor points, and available bed lighting and onboard power outlets that are great for tools, camping setups, and weekend projects. In terms of size, the double cab variant measures about 213 inches long, 77.9 inches wide, and just over 75 inches tall, giving it a substantial presence without feeling oversized like a full-size truck. Performance on the road is smooth and surprisingly refined for a truck of this class. The hybrid system transitions between electric and gas power seamlessly. The turbocharger builds power quickly, and the 8-speed automatic shifts cleanly whether you're cruising or pushing hard uphill. The regenerative braking system also works in the background to capture energy without feeling grabby. Warranty coverage is strong too, with Toyota including a 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and a standout 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty that adds long-term peace of mind. Pricing depends heavily on the trim you choose. The hybrid setup appears on models starting around the mid-$40,000 range and extends up to the mid-$60,000. Goes south for the top off-road variants like the TRD Pro and Trailhunter. And when you drive it, you instantly feel how the hybrid powertrain transforms the Tacoma. There's a strong surge of low-end power that makes highway merging, towing, and steep climbs feel effortless. On rough terrain, the truck feels composed and ready for anything, especially on trims built specifically for trail adventures. Yet, on normal roads, it's smooth, comfortable, and quiet enough to use as a daily driver without compromise. At the end of the day, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is more than just a greener version of a popular truck. It's a more powerful, more capable, more advanced, and more refined Tacoma that brings real hybrid performance into the truck world. For Gravity Automotive viewers, this Tacoma represents the perfect blend of toughness, tech, and electrified muscle, proving that hybrid doesn't have to mean boring, it can mean bold, fast, efficient, and built for real adventure. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive review, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which hybrid EV or off-road machine you want me to cover next.